Package length 10. 6 cm. Package width 10. 9 cm. Package height 12. 7 cm. Product type fishing equipment. Included components: reader, hardware, zip ties, instructions. The Raymarine RCR remote SD card reader allows for an additional SD card to be used for charts, software updates or for data storage. With the flexibility to be mounted anywhere on your console, the waterproof RCR also offers a USB socket. Top reviews from the United States. Arrived as expected and works fine. Fairly easy to install. Only beef was that it is an odd hole size. 1.5 hole saw was slightly too small and required some filing. 1 3/4 was too large and screw holes would be too close.